Here summarized the focal points of the technology. Kalibiome specialties are made of concentrated and reproducible actives obtained through a patented biofermentation. Their composition is totally bacteria-free and only containing active ingredients like peptides, fatty acids, and biosurfactants. They are preservatives-free, they can be stored at room temperature, they have no interference with cosmetics preservatives, and they show high efficiency of action given by the low dosages required, which are between 0.1 and 0.5%. Now, an overview of the first active ingredient of the family, Kalibiome Age, specific for advanced anti-aging treatments. As a first step, let's take a look to which are the targets of the Kalibiome Age. First of all, let's focus the attention on the epidermal target because this active ingredient proved efficacy in restoring the basal epidermal hyaluronic acid. We know that this substance at this level is involved in activities like cell differentiation regulation, skin hydration, organization of the framework of the skin, and skin healing. At dermal level, Kalibiome Age targets the collagen 1 network regeneration and the repairing process of fibroblasts. This is quite important as an effect for the anti-wrinkle activity because we know that a solid collagen structure is essential to promote skin resilience against the deformation and daily stress. The activities on hyaluronic acid, collagen, and fibroblasts are related to a selective targeting of the postbiotics towards specific cells receptors. Among the targets, we have EGF and toll-like receptors coupled to G protein, whose activations trigger cells proliferation, migration, and control of the inflammation leading to anti-aging. In vitro ELISA tests demonstrate that both the basal hyaluronic acid produced by keratinocytes and the dermal collagen produced by fibroblasts are increased more efficiently and effectively by Kalibiome Age when compared to a competing bacterial ferment found in the market. In detail, 10-fold lower concentration of Kalibiome show better performances than the benchmark. A scratch test demonstrates Kalibiome Age superior activity when compared to a competitor containing bacterial ferments and an overall pattern matching the performances of the EGF. On the right side, we can observe the fibroblast repairing pattern after 24 hours. Following a summary of the 6-week in vivo test carried out on a Kalibiome-based cream with evaluations of skin replenishment and redensification, anti-wrinkle action, and finally skin firmness and tensor effect. For each of the above studies, we have analyzed through metagenomic assessments the variations of microbiome by analyzing which bacteria increased or decreased. Just a quick view of the metagenomic tests. These are detailed studies enabling to measure through the ribosomal RNA the variations of the microbiome following the treatments with the active and the placebo. The skin redensification test shows through a digital image the increase of the collagen content inside the skin following the treatment with Kalibiome. The images show that after a 6-week treatment, the white bands corresponding to the dermal collagen are significantly increased compared to the value at time 0, with a consistent increase of the skin density of approximately plus 38%. In quantitative terms, the increase of the collagen content in the dermis is expressed through the value of the skin echogenicity. The results prove an activity of Kalibiome 12 folds higher than the placebo cream. From a cosmetics point of view, this activity can be exploited to develop cosmetics counteracting the photoaging process, hence promoting the skin resilience against UV rays exposure. The subjects that reported increased skin redensification after the treatment with Kalibiome Age showed significant variation of the bacteria Prevotella and Faecalibacterium. In detail, there is a positive correlation between the increase of the skin redensification and the increase of the concentration of the bacteria Prevotella nigricans, and a negative correlation with the bacteria Faecalibacterium. In other words, very simply, this means that when the skin redensification increases, the Prevotella bacteria tends to increase, while the Faecalibacterium tends to decrease, as clearly reported in the two graphics on the left side of the screen. Following the first of two examples of how the treatment with Kalibiome Age impacts the wrinkle appearance. As a result of the skin redensification and the increased skin collagen content seen before, the skin replica images highlight the reduction of both wrinkle width and depth. And here, the second example where the activity pattern is the same as the one seen right before. The following graphics show in quantitative terms the combined reduction of the wrinkle width and depth according to the RA and RZ parameters, still by comparing the activity of Kalibiome Age and placebo. In relationship to the microbiome variations analyzed, the tests highlighted a correlation between wrinkle reduction and increased expression of the bacteria Stenotrophomonas and Brevundimonas diminuta. In detail, wrinkle depth reduction is correlated to increases of the expression of the Stenotrophomonas, while wrinkle width reduction is correlated to increases of the Brevundimonas diminuta. The final in vivo test shows the efficacy of Kalibiome Age in reducing skin extensibility by 76% when compared to the placebo treatment. Decreased extensibility is a hint of increased skin firmness and tensor effect, according to the evaluation of the R0 parameter of the cutometer. Getting back to our microbiome metagenomic assessments, we can observe a couple of positive correlations between increased skin firmness and tensor effect values and the increased concentration of a couple of bacteria, in this case the Alister and Alloprevotella tannerae. For the skin firmness parameter, we also have some negative correlation because the subjects that reported the best results in terms of skin firmness increase reported reductions of Chrysobacterium and Paracoccus bacteria. Following a quick recap of all the benefits linked to Kalibiome Age. This reference is a candidate active for N-cosmetics claiming hyaluronic acid and collagen increase, skin redensification, anti-wrinkle activity, elasticity and skin firmness increase, resilience against photoaging, and a refined microbiome regulation as demonstrated by the metagenomic test that we have shown previously.